It's a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The fusion of bold design with elite performance and capability is a true testament to what Jeep is all about. Its cargo management system grants maximum flexibility, while its satisfying power and exceptional fuel economy grant your sense of adventure endless possibilities. Safety is omnipresent in this Cherokee with advanced multi-stage front airbags, all-speed traction control, hill start assist, and daytime running lamps. With Bluetooth with voice command and you connect with a touchscreen display, when you're getting away from it all, you're not necessarily leaving it all behind.
With four-wheel drive, you'll never get stuck again. The heated steering wheel gives you another layer of comfort on those cold days. Hindsight is 20/20 with the backup camera.
Go ahead and dream. This Cherokee will take you there. Get behind the wheel today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.